we are at the Alton Towers Resort Hotel, and I've just checked into an explorer's room. I'm just going to give you a little tour. So I am right at the front door, and here on the left, so this is all of our stuff, but you have got a shelf with the iron and ironing board, and a rail here with some hangers, and there is also a fold-up cot down here. And then to our right, we have got the bathroom. Very nicely themed. All that sort of inventions, late 1800s. A nice big sink. Your hand soap. A little bit of storage underneath if you wanted to put something under there. Plenty of towels, toilet paper, and then you got a nice big bath with a small shower head. See how it is later. And then you have got on the wall, you've got hand and body wash and shampoo, and obviously toilet. Fine. Got this sort of book going all the way around the top of the ceiling. Here we have got a fan. Definitely don't need that. It's currently November. I will not be using that. It's a lovely piece of artwork. Lots of nice art in here. And there's also a really nice carpet as well. We've got a exploring, as it's an explorer's room, but an exploring theme. And then here, the top of a mirror. Nice big full length mirror. We've got sort of a little place here for sitting, taking your shoes off. It's not particularly comfortable, but also some storage under there as well. And then we have got a king size bed. We have got a bedside table on both sides. No outlets on this side. I've got a lamp though, quite themed, and a switch. In the headboard. And really grateful. Lots of pillows. I like this as well. This is sort of roller coaster. And we've even got a bed runner. And sketches for inventions. And then we have got quite a large desk, chair, tea and coffee making facilities, another nice size mirror, and what will now probably be a fairly small television, but still have a TV in the room. And then we've got some storage here. Oh, there's a head right. So we've got 3 drawers in this unit. And then a little coffee table and a chair. All that work. And then this room does also have a single bed and a trundle bed underneath. We are on the 2nd floor. So here's the curtains. They're matching with the bed runner. But we are on the 2nd floor, so the car park is just out this window. Tim has just gone to plug the car in, hopefully, and get coffee. Priorities. So this is the Explorers Hotel, the Explorers room, sorry, at the Alton Towers Resort Hotel. We will do a bit more a tour of the hotel itself. This was booked as a package, so it comes with breakfast and also access to the mini golf, which hopefully the weather will be good enough to do tomorrow.
A sniff?
A good sniff.
We want the stories as well.
That's a lot longer than stay. So if you go to take that west coast, it's I bet the east coast, and all that, okay. Do the same for
We'll have